What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Lunatic Studio, your go-to channel for all things tech. And in this video, we will take a look at this very beautiful keyboard from Akko, the Akko ACR Pro 68. This is a pre-built keyboard, and this is one of the keyboards from Akko's ACR Pro series. I will be sharing the unboxing experience and what I think about the design and quality of this keyboard, share my typing experience, and as well as typing sound test. I bought this keyboard with my own money, so you can be sure na genuine ang mga opinion na maririnig nyo sa akin. So, let's get into it. Okay, so there are a lot, and I mean a lot, of extra keycaps that this keyboard came with. We got some modifiers and novelties in pink on black ASA double shot keycaps, of course, from Akko. We also got some extra space bars here and also some novelties in black on pink. You really get the most value off of these keycaps because they are retailing at around 1,700 pesos to 2,500 pesos. So this is only a 68% keyboard, but Akko gives you the full set of keycaps. That's crazy. We also have two extra coiled USB-A to USB-C. Didn't know one was not enough, but I'll take it anyways. We also have the two flip stand here na ikakabit mo sa board using these 3M mounting tapes. Akko also included a switch puller and an hex Allen wrench, so you would have everything you need to disassemble the board. We also have an extra daughter board here, a USB-C port, some Akko keycap puller, which I have tons of these now, and some spare silicone gasket sleeves and socks. Let's get to this part. We have the user manual that I only read for lighting controls, really. We also have the base foam that is made from EVA, and this Akko art that is a sticker that can be put on the base, and of course, the very beautiful keyboard itself. This keyboard has 68% layout or 66 keys. This is from Akko's ACR Pro series keyboards, which I think was very beautiful EQ keyboards for Akko. This keyboard has these 4 keys on the right hand side part of the board, and to be honest, this is really a great place to mount your artisan keycaps if you have them. Below that is a kind of metallic emblem with panda engravings on them. Really great looking, especially on black, just an amazing accent. The color of the base is mainly black, but don't be fooled because this is acrylic and it's a really good one. It has almost sort of matte black finish that sometimes leaves oil marks. These kinds of finishes tends to do that. The side profile is a symmetrical shape that gives out really uniform looking design. The typing angle without the flip stand is somewhat taller than most of my boards, so I prefer using this with a wrist rest. You also get 3 levels of typing angle with a flip stand installed. I love that they gave you an option if you want to have a flip stand or not. Me personally, I'm fine with the board not having a flip stand because installing it will block out this very beautiful art in the back, and I don't know where else to put it without blocking this, so I'd rather not. But it's completely up to you. You can find 4 rubber standoffs para di madulas habang ginagamit, and also acts as the first level of typing angle. This is where you can find the cute little art na I think pwede nating palitan in the future. You can also find the Akko logo and the brand name printed in silver. Very premium ang datingan. Dito nyo rin makikita sa back part ang mga screws para mabuksan nyo ito. However, the screw holes does not have metal threading in them, so you should be very careful when you open this and don't over tighten the screws to avoid losing the threads. You can find the USB-C port on the right upper corner of the board. The edges are very smooth and I think it looks pretty good and solid. The edges extends outside by about half an inch, making it look very robust and bold. For the keycaps, Akko used their pink on black double shot ASA profile keycaps. I don't question Akko's craft when it comes to their keycaps kasi alam naman ng lahat na Akko is just very great at making them. And kung mapapansin nyo sa unboxing, sobrang daming extra keycaps na kayang i-cater ng mga layouts na gusto nyo. Sobrang dami din ng mga novelties, so hindi kayo mawawala ng choices of different keycap combinations. This keyboard is also 3-pin to 5-pin hot swappable that uses Kyle universal sockets, so you can have a wide range of switches to choose from. This keyboard also has north-facing PCB that are great for shine-through keycaps. Speaking about the lighting and RGB, this has separate per-key lighting for the PCB and the base itself, so you can have the freedom to combine different RGB lighting color schemes. The RGB in the base does not shine all that good, and it is because of the black acrylic used. traps most of the light kaya hindi nagiging uniform glow, but you know, it's there and it's a nice thing to have. This keyboard has 20 lighting effects for the PCB and tons of different colors to choose from. This keyboard is also capable of audio visualizer if you're into that kind of thing. You just have to download Akko's Cloud Driver, which to be honest is not the most intuitive software, but still, you can customize your keyboard with it, record macros and key maps, toggle Mac mode, that kind of stuff. If you're someone who worries a lot about the ruggedness of the base, worry not, because even though this is made from acrylic, it does not wobble at all. Very solid and build quality. This keyboard has a gasket mounting design, which is very common nowadays for premium keyboards that will allow you to do creative mods to match the sound profile you want and the typing feel you prefer. Silicone gasket sleeves are already installed and you have the option to use these smaller ones for a much more bounce. Up here is the daughter board for the USB Type-C already installed. Bear in mind that this keyboard does not have a Bluetooth connectivity or 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, which some people will find as a deal breaker. We have the polycarbonate plate that is screwed to the PCB and through this Poron plate foam. We also have a rubber switch pads installed. You also get this EVA foam for the base of the keyboard. As you can see, this board is quite loaded already with dampeners just out of the box, so you won't have to worry about modding this. I will be installing the case foam, which is an EVA foam, and I will share with you guys this sound test shortly. This keyboard is equipped with Akko CS Crystal 3-pin switches, which I think sounds really great. They are light linears, which are ideal if you spend a lot of time typing. We also have these stabilizers that are absolutely amazing. These are plate mounted stabilizers and they have zero wiggles in them. You know, need lang ng onting lubing and some minor tuning, and I'm sure this will be very great. Also, the PCB supports screw-in stabilizers. The typing experience is really great, though natataasan lang ako ng onting-onte sa first level ng typing aim. Pero yun nga, you have the flip stand na pwede mo ikabit if you like. The bounce is really great, very cushion ang pag-type, which makes it really comfortable and enjoyable. And also, I was very surprised sa stabilizers na meron tong keyboard na to. Wala pa akong ginagawang tuning. It sounds great just out of the box pa lang. The sound of the switches are poppy to my opinion. Great sound naman. But I think I may have to lube the switches to give them a much deeper sound. Well, I'm gonna be honest, I got this from the Grand Lason round 2 sa booth ng Rotobox. It was on sale for around 3,500, but the original price for this keyboard, kung titingnan nyo siya online, is 4,975. So I knew I had to get my hands on this one. But I will provide a link in the description below for the best price and save you the time from finding this. You are very welcome. You can either buy the barebone kit and you have the black and white kit to choose from, or you can also get this as a pre-built like I did. This Akko ACR Pro 68 is just a really nice board to have. Not only does it come with complete tools and equipments and also the complete set of keycaps, it also has a really nice typing feel. I really love that bounce when you type, very cushioned and very comfortable. I also love the design, very minimal, but it also gives a really nice accent of gold. The shape is very nice, very symmetrical din ang side profile, which I really love. This keyboard is also loaded with dampeners, that is why it sounds so good just out of the box pa lang. And of course, the stabilizers, I think these are the greatest stabilizers I tested on a pre-built keyboard. I was surprised at how good the stabilizers were. The included switches and keycaps were great, though I'm not a big fan of ACR profile keycaps. They are still just wonderful looking keycaps to have. This is a great acrylic base keyboard and a great choice if you're looking to have an acrylic keyboard in the future. If you enjoyed this video or you found something interesting, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe na rin kayo to see more contents and reviews like this in the future. If you have any questions, make sure to comment down below, and thanks for watching. Peace.